Welcome to another RACHELINI Starmaker quick tip. Hey guys, so for today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to download a Starmaker cover. What's great about downloading a cover is that you can share it to your friends and family and save it, and the best part is that the lyrics aren't on the screen, and you can also use it to take screenshots of certain parts in your song that you want to use for your cover. So go to your app store and type in Starmaker Downloader. You'll see there's a bunch of different ones. I'm just going to show you how to use this specific one here. Once you've downloaded the app, go ahead and click on this little icon here. It'll give you a bunch of different sharing options, but right now we want to click on Copy Link. Once you copy the link, go ahead and open your Starmaker downloader, and sometimes it'll prompt you already right here. You can see at the bottom it already knows what I wanted to do, but if it doesn't do that, go ahead and click on this little icon here and you can paste it in there and click on download. After it has downloaded, it'll be in My Files, so go ahead and click on My Files. You can see all of the covers that I've downloaded. I usually like to download them so I can take a good screenshot so that I can go back to my cover and change the cover photo. If you tap on these three little dots here, it'll give you the option to play, share, or delete. And if you are looking to change your cover photo, click on the three little dots here at the top right, and it will give you the option to change cover. That is it. That is how you download a Starmaker cover. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.